Alrighty, so that's the Pioneer subwoofer, and it's a 8-inch driver. So it's a power subwoofer. As you can see, the power cord is connected here, and the amp is over there, and that's the input, and one volume control is there. So that's it, pretty simple. It's just a straight amplifier, mono amplifier, a class D amplifier with one input and volume control, and that's it. There is no low pass filter in the board. This one is made for the AV receivers. The AV receivers have the low pass filter inbuilt. So that's it. So today I'm gonna connect it to my mobile phone here using this 3.5 mm to RCA jack. I'm gonna connect one of this to the input right there, and gonna play songs from this mobile phone and gonna see how it sounds. So as it's just an amplifier, there is no preamp in there, no low pass filter for the sub or any bus trouble controller is there, so the sound is gonna be pretty flat, I guess. So now let's check it, how it sounds. Let's turn this on. All right, now let's check this humanity. Well, as you have heard, the sound is pretty flat, but the bass is more there. So the amplifier kit's frequency response is low to mid, I guess, not highs. So now let's check some songs with voice, and let's see how it works. So as I just told you, this amp is made for the low frequency to mid, just a bit, but not high. That's why we cannot hear the voice at all. We cannot understand any words, but just getting but just can understand there is a voice and a few highs and a few mid sound effects, but mostly there is bass, though there is no preamp in this thing, but still we are getting just mostly bass and just a little bit of mix. That's it. Let's try another song. So that's it, guys. This was the testing video of this subwoofer. This is a very good subwoofer from Pioneer and within a budget. And you can see that's the 8-inch driver and that's the port, but the enclosure size is quite big and a very strong wooden enclosure. And I'm using this for like past few years, and this thing has no problem, but this thing can shake the whole room when I'm listening loud music or watching a movie. So that's a very good thing. So that's a very good subwoofer at this price. This thing's cost like around 10,000 rupees right now. I don't know, I'm not sure about that. I got this thing in the package with the receiver and the 5 speakers, so I don't know the separate price right now, but I saw somewhere on a website it was like around 10,000. So that's the very best subwoofer for small to medium rooms. Even you can use it in large rooms, but it is but it is based for small and medium rooms. It can, and in the medium rooms it can shake your whole doors and windows if you play it a bit loud, because the amplifier is very nice, and the total wattage is 100 watt with 160 or 180 watt max output. I don't remember that, I guess. So that's it. That's all for today. Hope you guys can like the video. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. My best friend.